Meet two homeowners with beautiful gardens. This is John, who waters his garden manually. And this is Raj, a smart homeowner who uses Belko's automated watering system. John decides to take his family on a 5-day trip, leaving his garden unattended. Meanwhile, Raj takes his family on a 2-week vacation, confident that his garden is in good hands with Belko's AWS. After 5 days, John returns to find his garden devastated due to lack of water.
Oh no!
After 2 weeks, Raj returns to find his garden thriving, thanks to Belko's AWS automated watering system.
Yay! Woohoo! All right!
John realizes the importance of automated watering and wishes he had a solution like Raj's AWS.
Belko's automated watering system ensures your garden gets the right amount of water at the right time, even when you're away. With Belko's AWS, you save time, conserve water, and maintain a healthy garden effortlessly.
Join Raj and many others who trust Belko for their automated watering needs. Visit our website or call us today. Call now for more details, 0724 225 225.